structure of C programming. So this is the last topic of this chapter. In this chapter we'll see what are the basic structure of the C programming. Okay, so how we can write the C program, and what are the process. Okay, C is a language for writing the program. Okay, C is what? C is a language for writing the program. Language means some of the structure will be there for writing the program, some of the process will be there, so that process we'll see today. Okay, so come to my terminal. So the first process, the first structure is you have to include the header file. Okay, so how we can write the program? We have to start h include studio. Studio is the header file. We have to include the header file. Okay, once this one is done, then second point is the global variable. So suppose if you write some program, so come to here, like if you see here, below the main, in the main function, I have one and 3 variable here, so that one is called local variable. Inside the main function, whatever the variable is called, that one is the local variable. But if you are going to declare this variable here, then that will call the global variable. Okay, if you write your variable above the main, so that variable called the global variable. Okay, then second one is the user defined function prototype. Okay, so what the meaning of the function? So function is the two type. First one is the user defined, and second one is the predefined. So predefined means that function is a defined already. That function is a defined already. Okay, so like you can see here printf, this one is the predefined function. Okay, for the user defined function, you have to make your own function. That function is called user defined function. If you write your own function, that function is called the user defined function. In the here we can declare the user defined function prototype. Okay, where we can define this function, we can define below the main. Okay, we can define below the main of the user defined function. Okay, and come to the main function. Suppose if you are going to write the C program, so at least one main function should be there. Okay, at least one function should be there for writing the program, for getting the result of that program. Okay, come to the inside the main function. So if you want to declare the variable, so that variable called the local variable. Okay, like you can see here, I wrote some of the variables, so that variable is called the local variable. Okay, and once that all the things done, then you can write your logic. Whatever you want to write the program, then you can write the program. Okay, so this is the basic structure of the C program, and we'll see what is the header file, what is the global variable, and all the things, and what is the user defined functions, and how many types of the function. We'll talk in the function chapters. We'll talk this will talk also in the kind of when we go for the compilation process kind of, then we can talk this one kind of header file. Okay, so one more topic is let's see, comment. In the C programming, comment two types. Okay, one is the single line comment. This one is the single line comment. If you see, this one is the single line comment. If you do the multi-line comment, then you can do this one. Okay, you have to close this like. Okay, so I hope this topic is very clear. Okay then.